DeWalt DXPW3300 S review. Strong cleaning power that makes bigger outdoor jobs feel simpler. You know that moment when a patio still looks grimy after real effort and your weekend starts feeling shorter than it should? I once watched a neighbor rinse the same driveway strip 3 times with a weak washer and just shake his head. It wears on you. If that kind of slow progress feels familiar, you're probably already wondering what finally changes. The problem is not only the dirt, it's the wasted time, the rising tension in your shoulders, and that low frustration when a tool keeps pretending to be stronger than it is. I remember hearing a smaller unit strain while barely lifting mildew off fencing before lunch. Not ideal. That is usually the point where people realize a cleaner, quicker routine might actually be possible. Then everything changed when the DeWalt DXPW3300 S entered the picture. Don't just pick any gas pressure washer. Make sure it has 3,300 psi at 2.4 GPM, so you avoid weak cleaning power on stubborn grime. In practice, that means faster passes on driveways, cleaner siding without endless overlap, and enough force to lift moss, oil, and mildew with far less rework. The 25-foot Moreflex hose gives you reach without constant dragging. The 5 quick connect nozzles help you switch between concrete, vehicles, and patio furniture quickly. And the direct injection soap system makes prep work feel less annoying. The welded steel frame and 10-inch pneumatic tires also make it easier to move over rough ground than many people expect from a gas unit. Here's the useful surprise. One homeowner nearly ran out of time before guests arrived, swapped to the 25-degree nozzle, and finished a weathered deck section with minutes to spare. Another used the soap nozzle on a vehicle and realized the machine quietly doubles as a very capable home car wash tool. There is one practical detail about daily use that matters even more. That detail is how sustainable the whole experience feels after the first job. A hands-on reviewer said a single sweep left a driveway looking freshly paved, and pointed to the Easy Start 208cc engine plus consistent pump performance as major strengths. A retailer summary echoed that, noting strong pressure, reliable starts, rugged construction, and good hose connection seals for driveway, siding, and vehicle cleaning. One expert guide even singled it out as a top driveway option, highlighting the 3,300 psi, 2.4 GPM output, and long frame warranty. I have seen the same pattern in real use. Less repeat spraying, less repositioning, and fewer moments where the machine feels like the bottleneck. Fair warning, it is still a gas unit, so you will deal with more noise and maintenance than with electric models, and the axial cam pump is best for residential rather than non-stop commercial duty. That is the expectation reset. This is not a contractor rig pretending to be homeowner friendly. It is a well-judged residential machine that delivers serious cleaning power without unnecessary complexity. See why so many homeowners keep relying on it? If you have used it, drop your surface cleaning win below. If you want outdoor cleaning to feel faster, steadier, and less draining, the DeWalt DXPW3300 S makes a very practical next step. More homeowners keep turning to it because it blends real driveway and siding power with user-friendly mobility and setup. Results may vary. I remember how different a fence line looked once the cleaning finally matched the effort. If you want to take a closer look, click the link in the description and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.